So I told you, well, Sakina said we would unwind after the break. Actually, she's the one that will be doing the unwinding. I'm sitting with Miss Valerie Lee. She said Mrs. Lee is her mother and her sister. She's manager at Jencare Skin Farm, and she's here to talk to us about this big RV that you see behind us. Miss Lee, good morning.
Good morning.
And you said time flies when you're having fun.
It does.
And you've been at Jencare for a very long time.
Years.
Talk to me about this RV, the Express.
Oh, specifically the Express. Well, it's part of the whole Jencare Skin Farm experience. As you know, Jencare Skin Farm was established over 38 years ago. And about 6-7 years ago, our founder, Jennifer Samuda, had the brainwave to bring a mobile spa to Jamaica. So it's, you see, it's part of the whole experience.
So what are the services? Are there any different services in this?
No different services. We do facials, manicures, pedicures, body massage, all on the RV, as is offered at our spa.
Okay, Sakina will be doing a deep tissue massage today. Talk to me about that. What's the purpose of a deep tissue massage?
Okay, deep tissue massage is for people who really want to go, you know, like to get a really deep experience, to get the muscles, you know, really relaxed and thick. We do deep tissue massage, we do a regular Swedish massage, we do hot stone massage, we do aromatherapy massage. But the deep tissue is for really, you know, a really deep experience.
So what are the places that the RV goes? Is there a specific location?
It goes anywhere and everywhere in Jamaica. We have been all over Jamaica. We have been as far as Montego Bay already. And we go to offices, we go to schools. If you want to treat your significant other, we'll come.
So it's,
as long as you have parking space for us.
It's like on call?
It's on call. It's on call.
The cost for something like this to be done?
It depends. It depends on what we're doing and where we're going.
Okay. Is there anything big on the horizon for Jencare Skin Farm?
With Jencare, you never can tell because the innovations just, they pop constantly.
Yeah, because one of your goal is to leave feeling and looking better.
Skincare is our main focus, but our aim is to make you feel better.
Yeah.
And we treat you from your head to your toes.
So is it just for women or is it for men?
No. Oh, heavens no.
Let's check it.
Heavens no. We have a lot and a very large main clientele.
All right, well, we're going to take a break here and head inside to see what Sakina's up to. So, yeah. Oh.
DJ Sticko.
Take it away, Dwayne.
So apparently it's not Sakina getting the unwinding.
No, I didn't get the unwinding.
This is almost like a house.
I know, you can pretty much live in there, I'm sure.
We have microwave, we have fridge, bathroom.
Roman blinds. It's
Is it Roman blinds?
Yes.
How long does a massage like this usually last? 1 hour.
And this is where we... So tell us a little bit about what you're doing now.
First, I have to drape the client properly, then apply the oil, make sure the skin has something to glide before I start to apply any pressure.
And it's necessary to oil the skin because the reduce friction.
Rub off our
And we want it to be as comfortable as possible. With the deep tissue, it's not really for relaxation per se.
But to get out kinks and knots.
Right, so that can be a little
painful.
Yes.
A little ouch. Okay, so we make sure that the client is as comfortable as possible make sure that we don't, in the process of hurting, to stop the pain. It's not as
we have
unbearable.
a chart that we ask you to sign up before you do your massage to indicate if you have had a medical problem, you know, if there's a specific area you want us to focus on
or not to focus
on. Right, so we have to have that information so we don't give you injury.
Definitely. And so this bus goes everywhere. I was
She says it goes to Montego Bay.
Wow.
It's on call as
On
well.
call.
Yes, if you have your significant other and you'd like for them to.
So this is something, significant other, this is something that I'd like to be surprised with, I'll tell you that much. So you send this over and then you just show up at the door and...
Yeah, that's as long as you have parking.
As long as you have parking
space, it can be done. So the other aspects, the other services can be done in here as well. She was telling me the facial, everything can be done.
So what's the cost like doing?
Well, Miss Lee, so she'll give you a discount.
Will I get discount?
So we have to give her a call. But she says it's affordable, and
I guess you pay the gas money and then that's it. I think this is a wonderful experience. I mean, if you cannot leave home, I'm one of them lazy people. I tell you the utmost truth. I'm one of them lazy people. So if I don't have to leave my house, yeah, man, I'm tired all the time. So I mean, if I don't have to get up and leave my home to do something like this, I can just call and have it come to me. I would definitely choose this.
It can come to you because we have already done that, as I was saying. You know, if you want to treat your significant other, if you want to treat yourself, if you want to have a group of you, get
A spa party!
A spa party.
Oh, a bridal
we
party!
will come to you wherever you are.
That's awesome.
We will come to you, but I mean, if you really want a truly Jencare experience,
then you have to
come to the
right,
spa at 82
course.
Hope Road. But this will go anywhere in Jamaica.
And even with the spa at Hope Road, you have to make an appointment, or can you walk?
No, we accept walk-ins. We accept walk-ins. We have suites, what we call our ambassador suite, which gives you a facial, a manicure, a pedicure, a body massage. You get a body scrub. We have a hydrotherapy bath that you go in. You're served lunch with champagne.
Yeah, but the bus isn't walking. Yeah.
The bus will come to you. The bus will come to you.
I've actually, the best massages I've actually had in Jamaica was at Jencare.
Thank you.
I can tell you
Thank
that
you
most
so
definitely. She's rejoicing.
Thank you.
And it
That's
was
a Swedish massage.
This was a Swedish.
That's a regular Swedish,
Swedish
right?
is different
From
the
deep
deep
tissue.
tissue.
Deep tissue,
So this
definitely.
is deep tissue.
I think
so
I
it's
need a
not
deep
really
tissue next time I come.
To get the kinks out.
Around here that
To get the
really
kinks
needs
out. To
addressing.
get the kinks out.
All right, so
I'm ready. You know,
you sit down. You get a lot of massages all the time from Smile. So we're at the end of this interview, but she's definitely not at the end of her massage. So she's going to continue enjoying it, but you know where to find them. Go to 85 Hope Road. 82 Hope Road. You can't miss it.
Because
You can't drive Hope Road. You can't miss it.
Fountain by the gate.
But if you can't make it there, they'll definitely come to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you for having us.
All right.
And also, before we go, happy birthday to Sonia Wallen, celebrating her. I don't remember.
We're already on a break.
Yeah.
We have break before we go.
break.
Yeah, man, we have break, man. We have break. We'll soon come back and then you can tell
I want to leave it at the truck. I want to leave it at the truck.
We'll soon come.